So we're bringing back an old shop garage door where the door actually still exists behind the wall using the forklift, but not without some challenges. Here's a little bit of the inside and what it looked like during disassembly and exposing the door and the wall behind the door. While pulling on the wall with the forklift, we ended up bottoming out the 6,500-pound forklift. Using an engine hoist, we tried to lift the back end of the forklift off the pavement because that is actually where the drive wheel is on this forklift. It did not work. The unfortunate part of this situation is the alley isn't wide enough to get a vehicle here to pull the forklift out. So we started to get creative, and since the wall was extremely strong, we ended up using a 3,500-pound strap, ratchet strap, and used the tilt on the forklift to wedge the forklift back onto the pavement and onto its drive wheel, as you can see here. Honestly, I'm amazed that this worked, and I'm amazed the wall held up.
Well, that wall didn't go anywhere.
That wall pulled that out.
Holy cow. I'm gonna give it to whoever did this. They did a good job on the wall.
It took us about 3 hours to get the wall broken out and all the materials cleaned up and hauled away. And this is what it looks like with the wall broken out. This is MalaMaker, and thanks for watching.